In a move that could impact global oil prices, shipping costs, and international trade, President Donald Trump says Iran has given the United States a major assurance about one of the world's most important waterways. Could this be the breakthrough global markets have been waiting for? In a significant development, US President Donald Trump has revealed that Iran has informed the United States that it is not charging any tolls, insurance fees, or other costs on ships passing through the Strait of Hormuz. The Strait of Hormuz is one of the most critical shipping routes on the planet, carrying a huge share of the world's oil and energy supplies every single day. For weeks, investors and government has been worried that tensions in the Middle East could lead to disruptions, higher insurance premiums, or additional costs for commercial vessels traveling through the region. But according to Trump, Iran has assured Washington that no extra charges are being sought or collected from ships using the waterway. This announcement could ease concerns across global markets, especially in the energy sector, where fears of shipping disruptions have been closely linked to fluctuations in oil prices. Analysts say that if commercial traffic continues to move freely through the Strait of Hormuz, it could help stabilize energy markets and reduce pressure on global supply chains. The big question now is, does this signal a new phase of stability in the Middle East, or is it simply a temporary calm in one of the world's most sensitive regions? One thing is certain, every statement coming out of Washington and Tehran is being watched closely by traders, government, and investors around the globe. Follow for more breaking international news and market moving updates before everyone else.